Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Roomba Combo Essential 2. So here I have the Roomba, and once you've taken it out of the packaging, with the station, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that the Roomba is connected to the station right here by attaching it from the back right here to the station itself. And then the next thing we're going to do is make sure that our Roomba is reset properly. So to factory reset the Roomba, we're going to hold these three buttons at the same time until we hear a noise. So I'm going to hold them until I hear a noise. There we go. Now we can release and wait for another noise to play from the Roomba. There we go. Once our Roomba has been reset, we can grab our phone and open up the iRobot app on the phone and connect to our Roomba. So it's going to search for nearby products, and once it's finished scanning, you should see your Roomba right here. But if you don't, you can just click on select product or scan a QR code that came with your box and find your robot by just finding its name. There we go. We click on get started, continue, and now we're going to make sure that we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network that we're going to connect our Roomba to. So it should show you the network, and now we're going to click yes, continue, enter the password. There we go, now it's connecting to our robot, and now we need to press the clean button right here until we hear a noise. It's going to finish setting up.
Your robot is fully set up and ready to go. Press clean to get to work.
As you can see, the robot is already telling you that it's set up, but we're going to wait for the app to finish setting up by itself. Now press continue, name your robot however you want. Now here is a tutorial or some tips on how to set up your Roomba. Make sure to look at those. I'm just going to click on next. And there we go. Now we're in the Roomba app, and we can just start our Roomba by pressing on the clean button, and it should start cleaning. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.